Tuning back into my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're a new subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and share this video. Leave your comments on the comment section below. But yeah, as you saw the title of the video, I'm gonna be doing eyebrow grooming because this lockdown and this Cory who came out of nowhere, it's disturbing our peace. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to trim your eyebrows while you're at home, how to take off your eyebrows, because sometimes, as much as you're at home, you don't want to go with bushy eyebrows. Yeah, so that you keep them maintained. If you see me going down, just know there's a mirror right here that's going to be helping me to kind of like look at what I'm doing to my eyebrows. But the things that you're going to need is your eyebrow brushes. You can get them, I got them at Discount as well as razor blades. Got them at Discount as well. They're quite a bit cheap as well. And then you're gonna need this because it helps you to lay down the eyebrows, and then after like you brush them and you take the waves. I'll just show you the steps right now. But yeah, that's the only thing that you're gonna need. And then you're gonna need something to wipe off after you're done. Probably I'm gonna wash my face because I need to shoot another video for Instagram. But what I'm wearing right now is the Skin Republic for men, the anti-fatigue, the charcoal under eye patch. It helps you with like puffiness and everything. I'm wearing this because of the sleeping routines have changed, especially after lockdown. So we can't like at home and not doing anything. I'm always at home, but now it's the fact that I need to be at home, you know. So I don't know, but I feel like I'm wearing it wrong. But the thing is, it's working. So even if I'm not wearing it like correctly, the thing is, it's working. Underneath there's like a black part, so it's like I think the charcoal part. But anyways, I'm trying to make this video like not too long. So let's get into the work. Firstly,
no start, no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't want it back for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, she was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse down with the road, yeah, finesse. Might go down to G.O.D., yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, yeah, wait. I make sure that no side E is still, yeah. Bad things, there's a lot of bad things.
please be very careful when you use the razor because you can end up cutting yourself. That's why I use the first so that it kind of like slides very smoothly. As you can make right here, I was kind of like brushing it and it slipped a bit. But this is my eyebrows. I did not brush them, I didn't do anything to them, and I guess they still look amazing. But yeah, if you do like this video and you want any type of video for me to do, please leave your suggestion on the comment section below. I'll read it and then take your suggestions and try to create this video, especially during this lockdown and especially after even lockdown, because I'm planning to come back live on YouTube. I know I've been gone, but I'm gonna literally come back. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. There is like some sort of like a red button right there. It does not cost you anything literally to subscribe to this channel and to subscribe to this video. There's more fashion to come, more styling, more conversations about fashion that I'm going to be doing with my guests and everything. Please subscribe to this video and like, comment, share it to Instagram, to your WhatsApp, family group. Let's watch. But thank you for tuning into my channel and see you on the same channel.